Mispicks and wrong SKU shipments are expensive. A return, a reship, and an unhappy customer add up fast. If your team is packing orders in Business Central and verifying them somewhere else, that gap is where errors happen. Dynamic Ship closes that gap with the package worksheet. Shippers scan items directly into boxes, and the system verifies each scan against the open order in real time. The wrong product triggers an error before a label ever prints. Serial numbers, lot numbers, and package contents are captured as you pack, so traceability records build themselves. Weight and dimensions are set at the same time. Then the carrier label prints and the shipment posts, all from one screen inside Business Central. Floor shippers, packing station operators, and shipping supervisors all work from the same system, with nothing to reconcile afterward. To get started, reach out to your Microsoft partner.